core component of the agricultural catchments programme is farm-level nutrient management, as a loss of nutrients from the farm system equates to a loss of farm income. On average, a farmer can spend over 60% of total direct costs on purchasing and importing nutrients through feed and fertilisers. By efficient management of nutrients, a win-win scenario is achievable, where farmers are maximising farm profits and the risk of diffuse pollution from agriculture is reduced. This involves collaboration between the agricultural catchments team and the farmers across a range of areas, including farm-level financial analysis and adoption of nutrient management best practices. Advisors and researchers employ advanced financial planning and analysis tools to assess profitability of all farm enterprises on a per hectare or livestock unit basis and benchmark results against those from peer farmers. Advisors will work with farmers on areas where costs are high or output is low relative to benchmark standards. This process hinges on farmer cooperation, as detailed input and output records are required to complete this financial and production analysis. Agricultural Catchment Programme advisors and researchers actively promote the adoption of a range of farm-level best practices, especially but not exclusively in the area of nutrient management. A key role is to advise and ensure the demand for nutrients is closely matched with nutrient supply across the farm. This is achieved through the collaborative development and implementation of a farm-level nutrient management plan. A successful and efficient nutrient management process involves the adoption of a number of practices, such as soil testing to establish soil nutrient status, fertiliser planning based on crop requirement, appropriate chemical and organic fertiliser application use and timing, as well as detailed recording of nutrient inputs and outputs. Through individual and group farmer consultations, advisors and researchers seek to identify drivers and barriers to the adoption of desirable farm practices. Where drivers and barriers are identified, the Agricultural Catchments Programme team seek to positively influence the uptake of these practices.